So what to use for a u substitution here? You should be thinking immediately you see secant and secant tangent of this basic formula. The derivative of the secant is secant tangent. Huge clue right there, just from that basic formula that you should have memorized. So let u equal secant of pi x, and then the derivative is going to give us secant tangent of pi x for each of those. Here we go. The derivative of secant is secant tangent, but don't forget the chain rule. The inside function is pi x, so the derivative of pi x is pi. And du dx, we have the dx on this side. All right, check out what we can do now. These factors are exactly equal to that, so it's equal to du divided by pi. And we can rewrite our expression as 1 plus u squared du with that factor of pi out front. We'll go to expand this binomial, and then doing the antiderivative of each term with the power rule and distributing the pi. And substituting the u expression, secant pi x, back in for u. We're just about done here. Plus 1/3, so 1 over 3 pi times secant of pi x cubed plus c.